Today, we're going to be dogfooding Serial, our manufacturing software, to track the build and shipping process for this custom box of breakfast cereal. Hang on one second. What the heck is dogfooding anyways? Well, unfortunately, in this context, dogfooding has nothing to do with Mabel over here. Instead, what I'm talking about is using one's own software products in a real-world scenario. In this case, we're going to be using Serial, the software platform, to track the build process for Serial, the breakfast product. So let's hop into the online platform and see how we can set things up. I'll start by making a new cereal box component to contain all the processes involved in building and shipping the box. Now let's add some processes with work instructions to this component. The first process involved in building up the box is to print a unique QR code label and stick it on the box raw material. I'll add some pictures to the work instructions so everyone looking at them can quickly know exactly how to complete this step. And I'll also add a label printing field so you never even have to leave the instructions to print the QR code. Next, we'll build out the work instructions for the cutting process. This is actually a two-part process, so we'll split it into two steps. The first step involves using a razor blade, so let's specifically remind the operators to be careful so as not to cut themselves. Now the operators can conveniently toggle between these two steps and can keep focused on only the relevant information to the current operation. After cutting, it's time for folding, followed by gluing and packing. Once again, we'll document the whole process with digital work instructions so our team always knows exactly what to do. If we ever bring on new employees or have long gaps between production runs, we don't have to worry about regressions in quality because of poor training or forgotten procedures. It's all documented right here. Finally, after building up the box of custom breakfast cereal, we're back here at the shipping station where dozens of cereal boxes have already been assembled and packed up, ready to be sent out to the break rooms of our most favorite hardware companies. If you're a hardware company with in-house manufacturing and you'd like a custom box of breakfast cereal, or you'd like to test out the software, Serial, let us know in the comments or reach out to us and we'd be happy to set you up.